I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears of War, addressing the common question about its availability on PlayStation 5. It's important to understand that Gears of War is a flagship title for Xbox, meaning it's not directly playable on your PlayStation 5 console. We'll dive into the reasons behind this, and then explore the various platforms where you can enjoy this fantastic series. Don't worry, there are still plenty of ways to experience the action-packed gameplay. The primary reason you can't play Gears of War on your PlayStation 5 is simple. It's an exclusive franchise owned by Microsoft. Developed by Xbox Game Studios, these titles are specifically designed for Xbox consoles and Windows PCs. Think of it like PlayStation's own exclusive games, such as God of War or Spider-Man, which aren't available on Xbox. This exclusivity is a core part of the console gaming landscape, defining each platform's unique library. So, if you're eager to jump into the world of Gears of War, where can you play it? The entire series is readily available on all modern Xbox consoles, including the Xbox One, Xbox Series X, and Xbox Series S. Additionally, every main installment in the franchise can be enjoyed on Windows personal computers. This offers a great deal of flexibility, allowing you to experience the intense cover-based shooting and compelling story on your preferred Microsoft-supported platform. To finally play Gears of War, you have a couple of excellent options. First, you could consider acquiring an Xbox console, which provides the full native experience. Second, if you own a Windows personal computer, you can download and play the games there. A fantastic way to access all titles is through Xbox Game Pass, a subscription service that includes every Gears of War game. This gives you immediate access to dozens of hours of thrilling gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.